Hi! In this tutorial I will be showing you how to make this crop top. Pattern can be purchased on my Etsy store, and without further ado, let's start. So you will be needing the pattern and then either 2-way or 4-way stretch lycra or any other polyester fabric. Next, you're going to cut out the pattern in your size, and then you're going to cut the front and back piece. Then place the front and the back piece with right sides facing each other, pin one of the side seams, and sew the side seams with Overlocker 3rd row zigzag stitch. Once you have that done, you will attach foldover elastic on the bottom hem of the crop top. And now I'm going to be using my Coverstitch, but if you do not have a Coverstitch, just use a 3-step zigzag stitch on your machine or a plain zigzag stitch. Also, don't forget to attach elastic on the neck. Next, fold over our crop top and match side seams together and sew this down the same way you sew the other side seam. Now we will attach foldover elastic at the top part of the crop top. So you want to leave at least 45 centimeters as a necktie, and we will sew everything together in one go in a circle. So you will begin sewing one necktie, and then you will just continue through the neck, the back, and again you're gonna come out the other way. And once that is finished, you will again leave 45 centimeters for the second necktie. And your crop top is ready to be worn. Perfect! This came out so beautifully. It's a very easy pattern. I highly recommend. It's up for purchase on my store. And I want to thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.